Hello, everyone. My name is David. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we will talk about family. We will also make a small deal at the end. Are you ready?
Hi, everyone. My name is Lisa. Yes, I am ready.
Let's start.
Let's check some key vocabulary and definitions. Family, a group of people related by blood or marriage. Mother, female parent. Father, male parent. Brother, male sibling. Sister, female sibling. Live, to stay in a place. Eat, to eat food. Party, a celebration with friends or family. Holiday, a special day for celebration. Kind, nice and caring. Funny, makes people laugh. Smart, intelligent. Active, moving a lot. Business, a way to make money.
Please tell us about your family.
Sure, I have a big family. I have a mother, a father, 2 brothers, and a sister.
That's nice. What are their names?
My mother's name is Anna. My father's name is John. My brothers are David and Mike. My sister is Lisa.
Great. And how old are they?
My mother is 50 years old. My father is 55. David is 20, and Mike is 17. Lisa is 10.
Wow, you have a big family. Do you all live together?
Yes, we live in the same house. It is a nice house.
What do you like to do with your family?
We often eat dinner together. We watch TV. Sometimes we go to the park.
That sounds fun. And you, do you do anything special with your family?
Yes, we celebrate holidays. Last week, we had a small party for my brother's birthday.
That's nice. I love family parties. They are fun. Tell us about your mother.
My mother is kind and caring. She helps me with my homework. She cooks good food.
And your father?
My father is funny. He makes us laugh. He works in a bank.
What about your brothers?
David is serious and smart. Mike is active and funny.
And your sister?
Lisa is sweet and shy. She loves to draw.
Now, let's make a deal. Suppose we want to start a small family business. What do you think?
Yes, I like that idea. We can make a small shop in our neighborhood.
What will we sell?
We can sell candy, drinks, or snacks.
Good. What do you need?
We need money to buy the things, and we need a place to sell.
I can help with some money. You can help find the shop.
Yes, we can work together.
Great. Let's start our family business.
Thank you for listening. Today, we talked about families and made a small deal. I hope you learned some new words.
Yes, it was fun. Thank you.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.